Hi everyone, I'm Error Slayer and today, I'll show you how to fix error code 267 in Roblox PC. If you're ready, let's begin. First, find the Roblox Player application. If it's not on your desktop, you can find it by typing Roblox Player in the search bar. After finding the Roblox Player, right-click and select Open File Location. Then right-click on Roblox Player again and select Properties. Click the Compatibility tab. First, check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box and select Windows 8. Then, also check the Run this program as an administrator box. Finally, click the Apply button and then the OK button. If the error is not completely fixed, follow the same steps, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. I hope this video on how to fix error code 267 in Roblox PC was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day everyone.